making a video of how loud the drone is at certain RPMs, and we're about at 1500. So between 15 to 1700 RPMs, it's like crazy, especially when you're on load. It's super loud. So hold on, let me get to a better position. Yeah, this is how loud it is. I mean, when you're like going down the freeway with the you're in over torque converter's locked and you're in 6th gear and you're just going up a hill and just chugging up, it's like wow. And because I got a bunch of things I'm thinking, well, a couple of things, but it's the tuning, because the Adrenaline Performance Tune is a lot different than my PowerTech Labs tuning. So it just seems like it, I don't know, I just never have boost. This is how loud it is, never goes up. But then as soon as the turbo lights, it goes up, and I don't know, it's just the tuning, and I can tell a big difference. And so it makes obviously the exhaust a different tone. And then also I thinking obviously it's a dump and not exhaust, so it's pointing straight at the ground. It's just echoing back into the bed. And then also my bed is not Line X or Rhino Line or anything like that, so it's echoing more because it's just you know, metal and no like Line X anything. So that could be doing that. And then also I don't know, just something with the cab. But so I'm glad I got the not Dynomat, but it's called Kilmat coming. So this is just the first part of it. The other actual Kilmat will be here in a couple of days. So this is my before. So yeah, welcome back, America. We are going to do something that I want to do for a long time. I want to do in my old truck, and I really want to do this now because, like I said, I don't know if it's the tuning or whatever, but as you can see, I did a video a couple of days ago about how the in-cab noise is, but we are gonna do deadening. So I did some Kilmat 80 mil 36 square feet deadening mat, and I got a Nico roller because they said to get it, and I just got it. But it's from Mother Russia, and it's pretty heavy. And they said to get the metal one because if you get the plastic ones, they just break or something. So I made sure to get that, but that's what it looks like. So anyways, right there. So I got this all on Amazon. I'll put that link down below. But there's all the stuff. It's from Russia too. Comes a little like instructions. How to prepare it, this is what you need, cut it, blah blah. We got all the stuff, so then just make sure you do all this stuff, roll it down, and yeah, then it goes to different languages. But it doesn't seem, it's not like super thick, and it's pretty bendable, so I'm not really worried about it. But we got a ton of sheets. It weighs like 20 pounds, so we got quite a bit, and it does have a little bit of odor, but nothing I'm worried about. So but yeah, if we peel it up, you see that black rubber butyl stuff, whatever it is. So right now we're gonna go take off the back seat. I'm gonna see how far I can do. I might just do the back seat, but that's the main area I wanted to focus on. So and I've never taken my seats out before. I've taken them back out of my extended cab, so it shouldn't be that much harder, but I'm more just concerned about seats. And then obviously the back, which I'm definitely wanting to take this off. So it doesn't seem too hard, but I mean, we'll see. And it sucks, it's kind of cold and windy, so if
the video's crappy and sounds is because of the wind, and I can't do anything about it, which sucks. But let's get this going. Okay, we are in the process of taking all the bolts out. These are all the things and nuts and bolts and stuff right here are 18 mil. I gotta clean everything, so don't mind that. But we're kind of at a standstill because I can't get the seat out, and I definitely can't get it out by myself. So, because this, I don't know, there's like so many like little stuff, or bolts sticking out and stubs or whatever, and so it keeps grabbing on stuff, and then also the door doesn't open wide enough to get all them out. So I'm gonna try to not half-ass it, but I might have to, which kind of sucks. But I might. So I'm here right now. I took off this piece. They're just held in by little clips right here and there and stuff. So right now I'm just kind of cleaned it up a little bit, and we're gonna put the kilmat on right here, and then I'm gonna try to take this piece off and just do it right here, and then I'll try to take the carpet out a little bit, but it's not looking too good. So hopefully we can get something done. Okay, so I'm partly almost done, and I kind of just want to check this out, but so I'm rolling this on real quick. It's all on there good, like. Finish that in a second, but so one thing I noticed too. Okay, so watch. Ready? Just kind of got a little farther away. I should have done it before. So I'm trying to hit it with this little bump right here. That little. Watch. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so I figured out how to get back here a little bit. Obviously pull this out. I just was so scared because I didn't want to break it, and I've done that too many times, and I definitely don't want to do it ever again. Even though I might have broken one of these little things, but so far we're doing pretty good. It's pretty nice. It's still doing the same thing, which obviously what it should. And then the closer we get, it gets more of like a thuddy instead of a ding 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 ding. It's a dee 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 dee. I don't know, just different sounds. But so far, and I'm more concerning on this side, the passenger side, because of the exhaust, and then not firewall, just the rear cab, because that's where it echoes the most. It just echoes just from here, basically from there to the driver's side and back here. So it will be pretty fun. So I might even go even a little extra on it and just do it on a double, maybe, because it's not that expensive. I mean, I can easily just buy another box and do the front or whatever, but I'm mainly concerned about the passenger, rear, cab wall. So it's going good, just taking a long time. I hate to say it, guys, but I'm gonna have to quit for now. I'm running out of time, and I got other things to do, and then now it's Sunday, so I'm gonna have to put everything back, and I'd rather do it, sort of right, the third or fourth time. But I'm running out of time, so what I'm gonna do, I can't do anything with this freaking seat. I got right here, which might help a little bit, and we'll see. We'll test it out and see how well it works. I might put once I get someone to help me get the seat out, I might put 2 layers on. We'll see. And I also want to see how the seat sits with the extra little bit. But I'm definitely gonna do the back right now and finish that, because that's super easy and really easy to get to even with the seats on. So I'm gonna do that, and then the floor is gonna have to wait for a little bit until I actually get time and another person to help me get the seat out, because I gotta bend it this way like a couch, trying to get through, and then I'll probably take the seats out and whatnot. But this is a fail of an installation, what I want to do today. I've already been doing this messing with the seat and the combination of doing this and heating it up and getting it just right, it's probably been an hour and a half. So, but this shouldn't take that long, and then we'll put everything back together, and I'll just how it sounds with just this. This whole thing will be done, and then just this part of the floor will be done. So we'll see. Maybe if I have a couple more seconds, I might try to do something over there, but we'll see. Okay, guys, I put everything back. We're all here. Everything's together. So honestly, was it worth it to just do it half-ass? Yes. Okay, because I want to honestly, I mean, I don't think you can tell on the video because I watched the video of when I was driving, and if it was at 100%, like before I even did anything, driving cut down to, it's probably like 80% now. You can still obviously hear it, the exhaust and the drone, and you know, some road noise in the back and stuff, but like just like sitting, just idling and just sitting here not doing anything, damn kids, it's quiet. Like honestly, I could tell before I just sitting in the back, I'm like, it seems quieter. Like it's like you can just hear like a little deep exhaust sound. But like I could feel like I could hear more rattling-ish sounds or just deepish sounds. But it's hard to explain, but it feels like a more solid sound. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, it's like, I don't know, but like I can just feel it against I can feel the sound kind of like it's hitting the back, but it's not going all the way through. Like if someone's punching a wall, and now they are, but now there's also like extra insulation. Like you can hear it, but you can't. It's like just muffled now, which is pretty awesome. Like, so that is awesome. So now, but I can still kind of hear it more on this passenger side down here. But once I get that done, then I will start working on the front and whatnot. But I mean, it works. It works. I just wonder how it would work once I have like a whole weekend and I have a friend to help me take stuff apart. I wonder if I even doubled the wall, because that might help too. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make a part 2 video when I have that time, a whole weekend, and someone else to help me. Then yeah, we will get it going. So like, share, comment. I'll put down the Nico roller and the kilmat down below, so you can look at it for yourself and decide for yourself. I still have like, it weighed like 23 pounds in the box, plus I had a couple more things, and there's another thing I'm gonna put in the truck. But it yeah, it probably still has like 17 pounds of stuff in it, so I'm pretty sure I have enough to like do this whole entire axle. Like I would say probably halfway up there, I would probably say to do the whole floor, but I'm gonna say 4 pieces for the doors at least. So yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, tell me what you think. I know it's kind of a weird sucky fail video, but yeah, anyways, stay tuned.